Dear students, in the last section we have seen some problems on time and work. In this section we will see next problems on time and work. So the next problem is A and B undertake to do a piece of work for rupees 600. A alone can do it in 6 days and B alone can do it in 8 days. With the help of C, they finish it in 3 days. So find the share of each. We know the one day work of A and B. One day work of A is 1 upon 6 and one day work of B is 1 upon 8. And if both the A, B and C if they work together, then the one day work of A and B and C, A plus B plus C is 1 upon 3. So C's one day work is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 8. So it is 1 upon 24. So C's one day work is 1 upon 24. So A as to B as to C is ratio of their one day work is 1 upon 6 as to 1 upon 8 as to 1 upon 24. Means we can write it as 4 as the LCM of this 3 is 24. It is 4 as to 3 as to 1. So A's share is equal to 600 into 4 by 8. So how it is 4 by 8? 4 is the ratio of the A and the total of this 3 is 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. So that is why it is 4 by 8. So A share is equal to 600 into 4 by 8. So it is 300. B's share is equal to 600 into 3. Now the B share is 3. So 600 into 3 by 8. So it is 225. So C share is equal to, we can solve it as 600 into 1 by 8 or we can subtract this A plus B, that is 600 minus 300 plus 225. So it is 75 rupees. Then next problem is A and B working separately can do a piece of work in 9 and 12 days respectively. Means A require 9 days and B require 12 days. If they work for a day alternately, A beginning means that work is start with A, in how many days the whole work will be completed. So A plus B's 2 day work is 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 12, that is 7 by 36. So work done in 5 pairs of day. If they work for 10 days in alternate days, then there are 5 pairs. So work done in 5 pairs of days, 5 into 7 by 36. So it is 30 by 36. Okay. Now the work 35 by 36 is completed in 10 days. So remaining work is 1 upon 35 minus 36 is 1 upon 36. As the LCM is 36, 36 minus 35 is 1. So 1 upon 36 work is remaining. On the 11th day, here we have calculated the work of 10 days. On the 11th day, there is A's turn, okay, and A's one day work is 1 by 9. So on the 11th day, it is A's turn. 1 by 9 work is done in 1 day by the A. So 1 upon 36 work is done by him, as 1 by 9 work is done in 1 day. Then 1 by 36 work is done in, for example, x days. So 1 upon 36 divided by 1 upon 9 means it is 9 into 1 by 36. So 1 by 4 day. So total time required is 10 days plus 1 upon 4 means 10 and 1 upon 4 days required to complete that task. Then next problem is 45 men complete a work in 16 days. 6 days after they started working, 30 more men joined them after 6 days. So how many days will they now take to complete the remaining work? Okay. So 45 men work for 16 days. So 45 into 16 men can complete the work in 1 day. Okay. So one man's 1 day work is 1 upon 720. So 45 means 6 days work is, as they work for 16 days, so it is 1 upon 16 into 6. So it is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 work is done by these 45 men in 6 days. Now the remaining work is 1 upon 3 minus 8 is 5 by 8. Okay. So 75 means 1 day work is 75 upon 720, right? As we have calculated here, 1 man's 1 day work is 1 upon 720. So 75 means 1 day work is 75 upon 720, that is 5 by 48. Okay. Now this 5 by 48 work is done by them in 1 day. This 5 by 48 work is done by the 75 men in 1 day. Then how much time it requires to complete the 5 by 8 work? Okay. So 5 by 8 work is done by them in 48 into 5 into 5 by 8. So it is 6 days. Okay. Then the next problem. Two men and 3 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days, while 3 men and 2 boys can do the same work in 8 days. In how many days can 2 men and 1 boy do the work? So let one man's 1 day work is x and 1 boy's 1 day work is y. So we can write the equation as 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 upon 10 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 1 upon 8. So we will eliminate x here by multiplying this by 3 and multiplying this by 2. Okay. So we got x is equal to 7 by 200 and y is equal to 1 upon 100. Okay. So now we have to find in how many days can 2 men and 1 boy. So it is 2x plus y. So it is 2 into 7 upon 200, 2x plus y means 2 into 7 upon 200 plus 1 into 1 upon 100. So it is 16 by 200 means 2 by 25. So this is the work of 2 men and 1 boy. So this 2 men and 1 boy together can finish the work in 25 by 2 means 12 and half days it requires to complete that work for 2 men and 1 boy. Okay. So next in the next section we will start the next section.